Good evening, church. Welcome to Audacious. My name is Josh. You are watching Audacious Television. Everything you need to know about what is coming up in our church. I hope you've had a great afternoon. I've been all around the world using the powers of the green screen. This afternoon I've been to China, I've been to Norway, I've been to the Alps. So someone shout out somewhere and we'll go there. Someone shout out a country. What? Okay. Mongolia. We're in Mongolia. Wow, crazy. So keep watching the screens to your left and right and down the middle for everything that's coming up in church. This is Audacious Television. Wow, what a wonderful week we have got coming up. Remember, Alpha, this Tuesday, our launch dinner. Make sure you bring someone along to that because it's going to be a great way to get them connected into our church. And then the very next night, Wednesday church, we have our life groups. Make sure you check out the nearest one to you. Come down and have a great time. Well, that is it from me. And Lainey will be back with me next week, not to worry. So have a fantastic week and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.